Meaning of freebooter.
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 Freebooter. The term freebooter refers to a person who engages in piracy or any other illegal activity on the high seas. The word originated from the Dutch word vrijbuiter, which meant pirate. Freebooters were known for their acts of aggression, looting, and seizing of ships, often for personal gain. They were active during the 16th and 17th centuries when maritime trade was booming. Freebooters were notorious and caused fear among merchants and sailors alike. The term is now used to describe anyone who engages in illegal or unethical activities for personal gain.